Hello and welcome to Professional English Module 8. This module deals with how to prepare a professional, powerful, appealing presentation using some common software and professional language. By the time you finish this module, you should be able to create presentations that capture the attention of your audience and engages them in the information you present. This module has 3 lessons. In the first lesson, you will watch a video of 2 colleagues talking about a presentation they recently witnessed. Then you'll practice using some key words and phrases in context. In the second lesson, you will watch a video or listen to a podcast of a business development coach as she talks about how to make a good business presentation using the PowerPoint program. In the third lesson, we'll go through a step-by-step process in making a presentation template.